Hey guys, here I came up with the new example on PDA designing, that is design PDA for number of A's equal to number of B's, and here sigma is what? Sigma is equal to A comma B. Means here we have a string of only A's and B's with the condition that in the whole string we have number of A's is equal to number of B's. Here we haven't given the position of A's and B's. Here we have only one condition, that is in the whole string we have number of A's equal to number of B's. Means A's can be placed anywhere and B's also can be placed anywhere in between the string, or at the starting of the string, or at the end of the string, or after two A's, after one A, after single A. We don't know any condition related to position of A's as well as B's. Okay, so here only one condition we know, that in the whole string we have to count number of A's and we have to match that number of A's with number of B's. Okay, so for every B there should be A, and for every A there should be corresponding B to be present in the string. Okay, so let's start with language L. So the smallest string will be AB, or it can be BA, because string can start with A as well as B, because we don't have knowledge about the position of A and B also. Okay, so string can start with A or string can start with B also. Okay, so the smallest string will be AB or BA also. Next smallest string can be AA BB, or it can be AB AB, or BA BA, or can be BA AB also, or it may be possible that AB BA string. Okay, means two length combinations of A and B. Okay, so these can be the combinations. After that we can have three number of A's and three number of B's combinations. Okay, so I have not mentioned all the strings here, but this set of string is infinite following the condition. Okay, so out of that we will take one string for simulation, and here I have chosen the string W is equal to A B B B A A string. So remember that here string can start with A as well as from B. We can have any kind of position of A's as well as of B's. Okay, here just we have to match number of A's equal to number of B's and number of B's equal to number of A's. Okay, so here we don't have any knowledge when to perform pop operation and when to perform push operation. Means as we have discussed many of the problems before, in that case for A's we have pushed onto stack, then for each B we have popped the stack. So here we don't know anything about the position, so when we have the first letter, then that will get pushed onto stack. When we read second letter, then we will pop the first letter from the stack. Okay, the logic behind this string is, which is the first letter coming in the string, that will be pushed onto stack, and when we encounter the second letter, for that second letter the first letter from the stack will get popped out. Okay, so it may be possible that in between string we have top of stack as Z0, so again different letter can be pushed onto stack, and for that next different letter the stack will get popped out. Okay, so here we will take string W is equal to A B B B A A. Okay, so here for string is starting with A, so I'll first push A onto stack. Okay, because we can't perform pop operation if we haven't pushed anything on stack. Okay, means for popping operation we must have to do first push operation onto stack. Okay, so first whenever we will encounter the first input symbol, that will get pushed onto stack. So first we have here A as input symbol and top of stack is Z0, so A will get pushed onto stack. Okay, so now next we have B input, so here we have to match number of A is equal to number of B's. So for this A, I have here B. Okay, so for this B, we will pop the top. Okay, so that's why here we have to perform pop operation, means for this B, A will get cancelled and here A will be popped out. Okay, so now our top of stack is Z0 and the situation is what? We are reading input symbol B. Okay, so now at this time we will push B onto stack. So our content of stack will be, now we have Z0 here, so we are reading input symbol B and top of stack is Z0, so we will push B onto stack now. Okay, now we will move to right by one cell. Again we have same symbol, that is B, and we have top of stack as B, so we will push onto stack because we don't want to match B's with B's. Okay, so that's why we have pushed B's onto stack. Okay, so now these two B's are pushed onto stack. We will move to right by one cell. Now we have input symbol A and at that time top of stack is B. For this A, we have to match B. So for this A, we will pop the top. So for this A, B will get popped out and this will get cancelled. Means for this A, we have cancelled this B. Okay, now we will move to right by one cell. Again we have here A. So for this A, if we are reading input symbol A and top of stack is B, then and then only we have to perform pop operation. Okay, so for this A, we will cancel this B. Okay, now we are reading input symbol empty and top of stack is Z0, means we have got cancelled with number of A's to number of B's. Okay, so this will be the logic behind this string.